As an environmentally friendly landscaper working to be carbon neutral, I'm often asked about recommendations for electric equipment. We started investing in Ego Power Plus, as you can see by the list of products we have registered, but unfortunately, after 1 year of use, we are looking for a new brand and do not recommend Ego products. Our primary issue is with a commercial battery backpack, which retails for approximately $1,400 and is needed to power all the commercial products. The first issue is with the comfortable and sturdy backpack system highlighted in this picture. Unfortunately, this is only comfortable and sturdy when the chest buckle on the shoulder strap is not broken. Here is a picture of a functioning strap and our strap, which broke a few months after purchasing. Unfortunately, the strap is not covered in the warranty. The second and more serious issue is a cable that connects a battery to the devices or to a charger. Here is a picture of ours, which is clearly broken. This broke after 1 year of use, which is within the 2 year commercial product warranty. Unfortunately, this is also not covered in the warranty because they offer a separate replacement part. While we were not happy about buying a separate part, we were willing to buy the cable and move on. Unfortunately, we are not able to purchase the replacement cable anywhere, which is deceiving because Ego's website has a bright green button, Where to Buy, which implies the product is available everywhere. However, after contacting all the companies on the list, this part is simply not carried, and many partners recommend we contact Ego, which brings me to my third reason we are switching, which is Ego's response to all this. Customer service is not able to help locate a part, order a part, or to put me on a waiting list for a part. Additionally, managers do not call back, and their letter I sent highlighting these concerns received no response. The fourth and last reason we are leaving Ego is a residential lawnmower from Ego, which has this broken piece after a few hours of use, which causes the push mower to stop working when you push it, which is highly problematic. I'll go into more detail on this in our next video. In conclusion, I do not recommend using Ego products. While I have not found a new company, the lesson here is to only buy electric products from a company that has a service center in your area so you know you can get the support you need when you need it. Good luck, and thanks for watching.